Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law, guardianship, and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to speak with you about a guardianship scenario. Before I get to that, if you have any questions for me, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw. Take a look at my website, frankbrunolaw.com. I was presented a situation from a potential client. This person was recommended to me from an attorney colleague of mine. It's a guardianship case, and briefly I give some of the situation. A child of a parent filed a petition, and along the way, the court determined that the petitioning child should not be the guardian. This is a case that I was not involved in, and the adult child petitioned to be the guardian of the parent, and there was legal documents. Both sides had attorneys. There was a negotiation, there was discussion, and an agreement was reached where the person that called me thought that they would have some ability to impact the health and general well-being of the parent. And in the agreement, I think it was said that that's what should happen, but it did not happen. So now there's a guardian in place. It was a different child was granted the guardianship, and that's because that's what the court thought might be best in terms of the guidance that was given, and there was a settlement. The specific scenario that I may be involved in is trying to revisit the hearing or making a new application where the original petitioner can be granted guardianship or have some type of meaningful impact in the care of the parent. Now, it's not always easy to revisit situations because the judge had the facts at their disposal, and during settlement conversations, the judge may have forecasted the way the ruling was ultimately going to go, and that might be the reason why a settlement was reached. So in order for me to properly assess the situation, I have to look at all the paperwork, transcripts of any hearings or any portions of hearings if they're available, and then really give a deep consideration to explaining the situation to the adult child without actually ever filing new paperwork. Because it may very well be that the person that's seeking my help cannot be helped. So, but I try and shoot straight, and if I don't think that there's an opportunity to win the case or a solid basis to file something new, I have to let the person know. There's no guarantee of success in litigation. I just want to be able to tell the client that we actually have a rational basis for bringing that case. So if you'd like me to give my professional opinion and my straight scoop, then reach out to me, to my office, Frank@frankbrunolaw. Thank you very much.